The matter pitting Kirimi Koome and the state came up in court today before Justice Honorable Dolphina, and the purpose of today's court session was for the application by the state to have the monies which had been frozen in the bank accounts returned back to the proprietor, and who is also the complainant, that's Desire Muyunza, as well as his company Stay Online. We must, as councils, express our gratitude to the judiciary for standing steadfast and safeguarding investment and the ultimate handing over the accounts and the monies back to their rightful owner. And that we have now seen justice actually seen to happen and happening in actual sense.
Thank you very much, the Fourth Estate. My name is Momanyi. This afternoon is a momentous occasion in the sense that the Honorable Court has affirmed our investors' faith in this country in terms of bringing capital. And it will certainly go a long way. It will certainly go a long way in assisting not only the applicants in this case, but the investment community at large, so that they may feel free to come invest in this country, and that way aid our ailing economy to regain its strength. Thank you very much.
For the state, my name is Shadrach Wambui. I'm one of the councils who are representing Stay Online and its truthful owners being Mr. Desire Muhiyunza. So today we appeared before the Honorable Dolphina Lego for the purpose of applying for a review of the orders that had initially been issued by Honorable Ekubi Benmark, which essentially froze the accounts belonging to Stay Online. Now, the reason why the accounts had been frozen was pursuant to, of course, a complaint that had been made by Mr. Desire Muhiyunza, of course, because of the dispute over the ownership, control, and stewardship of Stay Online Limited. Now, following the orders that were delivered, or the ruling or judgment, sorry, the judgment that was made by my Lord Justice Alfred Mabea on the 27th day of December 2023. Now, it was imperative upon us to approach the lower court, to approach Your Honor Dolphina Lego for the purpose of informing her of what had transpired in the High Court. And we have informed her, and we are glad that the Office of the ODPP has, of course, consented to the allowing of our application that we filed yesterday on the 28th day of December 2023, that essentially sought to unfreeze those orders that preserved the funds in these various bank accounts that are owned by Stay Online Limited and domiciled at UBA Bank. So really, mine also is to join in celebrating the judiciary for not only doing justice, but ensuring that this justice has been done what is called expeditiously. We have seen the court move with speed to ensure that these funds are made available for these merchants. The funds are made available for Stay Online so that the company can continue without hindrance with its businesses. Again, I wish to thank the Honorable Courts or the judiciary, particularly my Lord Justice Alfred Mabea, Your Honor Dolphina Lego, and Honorable Ekubi, even in his absentia today from court, that we have seen the zeal, we have seen the determination, and we have seen the commitment of the judiciary in trying to wooing the investors, trying to encourage them to come to Kenya, knowing too well and for certainty that their investment will be protected by the judiciary, that they shall not fall in the hands of swindlers, they shall not fall in the hands of individuals with the ill intention of stealing or reaping from where they have not sown. So thank you, members of the Fourth Estate. This is also to encourage even the investors who are watching us from, other parts of the world and other parts of this country and even the other parts of this continent. that they should feel at home, they should come invest here. If at all there will be a concern, if at all there will be any need to invite the honorable courts, their interest will be protected and their stake in this republic will be protected, as the courts have the resolve or have resolved to protect all without any regard to nationality or economic status. Asante sana kwa sasa. Nashukuru. Asante.
Critical to this matter are 3 government institutions. That is, we want to thank the Director of Criminal Investigation, the DCI, in the manner they conducted this matter, in a professional manner, expeditious investigations, expeditious arraignment of forwarding the file to the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution. So the Office of the DCI takes a big accolade in bringing the confidence of investors in this country. The second office is the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution. As you are aware, the new Director of Public Prosecution, Mr. Renson Ngonga, promised that his office must be a facilitative office in terms of job creation, in terms of bringing investors' confidence into this country. The DPP has worked tirelessly with the complainant. They preserved that money. They kept the money. They have arraigned the thief to court, and that gives the confidence that any investor globally should come in and know that the National Police Service Commission, under Article 244 and Article 245, the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution, under Article 157, are all constitutional offices, and they are here to protect investors. Kenya is safe. Kenya is ripe for every investor to feel safe, and the law will protect them. Lastly, we also want to thank another third arm of government, that is the judiciary, for being fast, fair in determining this matter, and to bring the confidence of the foreigners, to bring the confidence of every investor, whether the investor is bringing 2 shillings, whether the investor is coming with billions of money. The judiciary, the DPP, and the DCI have stood firm, and that is to us. On behalf of the Law Society of Kenya, we also want to say that the Law Society of Kenya has enough lawyers to protect, to defend every investor in this country. Let nobody be scared that Kenya is a country that you risk to lose your investment. It is safe, and the rule of law is the cardinal rule that has been applied, and justice has been done. And our appeal to the whole world and our appeal to the whole system is that Kenya is safe. Lastly, let me also thank the Registrar of Business, that is the Company Registry, which is an office domiciled in the Office of the Attorney General. They worked very expeditiously. So the 4 arms of government, the DCI, the Registrar of Companies, the DPP, and the judiciary, together with members of the Law Society of Kenya, have delivered a great landmark decision, which says Kenya, our country, our motherland, is a safe place for everybody to come and invest. Your properties and your investment is safe, and it will be protected. Thank you very much. Kwa yale mawili nitazungumzia ni kwamba tunashukuru asasi 4 za serikali ambazo zimeungana pamoja kuhakikisha kwamba wale wawekezaji wameweza kupata haki zao na fedha zao zimelindwa. Ofisi ya kwanza ni ofisi ya ule mkuu wa usajili wa makampuni ambao ni Business Registration Center katika ofisi ya mkuu wa sheria Attorney General waliweza kufanya kazi nzuri na kuhakikisha kwamba kampuni ya wageni iliyokuwa imenyakuliwa imerudishwa kwa wageni. Asasi ya pili ni kitengo cha ujasusi ambacho kinaitwa DCI kilichoko chini ya mamlaka ya Inspector Generali, ambayo iliweza kufanya utafiti mkubwa kwa njia ya haraka na kuhakikisha kwamba mfidhuli aliyekuwa anajaribu kupaka taifa letu matope ameweza kukamatwa. Tatu, tunamshukuru ofisi ya director, kiongozi wa mashtaka, ofisi ya DPP, hasa yule DPP mgeni Renson, sababu ameweza kuhakikisha wale ambao wanafanya chini yake wako kotini. Tumekuwa nao kila wakati, wameweza kuhifadhi zile fedha, ambapo leo wameziachilia zile fedha kwa mwekezaji hapa. Na mwisho tunawahakikishia wageni kwamba mahakama yetu ambayo iko kwenye mahakama chini magistrate, kuna high court, tuliweza kwenda pale na kupata hukumu ambayo imerudisha hadhi na sifa za taifa la Kenya. Sio Desire ameshinda hii kesi, ni wawekezaji wameshinda hii kesi, na Kenya ndio imeshinda zaidi, sababu hii itakuwa ni njia moja ya kuweza kutengeneza taifa letu liwe ni taifa ambalo linaaminika. Pia tutawashukuru wanahabari. Wanahabari wamefuatilia habari hizi tangu zilipotolewa, wameweza kueleza Wakenya. Vyombo vya habari kule Rwanda vinafuatilia hii habari kutokana na wanahabari walio katika taifa la Kenya. We wish to thank the fourth estate, the media. You have been watching this matter. You have been covering the story. You are patriotic to this country. You portrayed the Kenyan arms of government in the light of a functional government, and we thank the media very well. You have kept the Rwandese citizens who are worried what will happen with their money. They have been informed, and we thank you very much. And as you break for a Happy New Year, we wish the fourth estate and all the four arms of government a Happy New Year and a happy ending, because the defense never rests. Thank you.
Thank you.